How to drop a pin on Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're here, use the map to find the specific area where you want to drop the pin. You can search for an address or manually move around the map. Then, tap and hold your finger on the map at the exact spot where you want to place the pin. A red pin will appear at that location. Once the pin is dropped, you'll see options like Directions, Save, Share, or Add a label at the bottom. Here, tap on the Save button below to save the location to a list or create a new list to organize your saved locations. After that, tap on Done below. Following these steps, you can easily drop a pin on Google Maps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.